Hi everyone, it's Tammy here at Small Town RV. I hope you're having a fabulous Friday. I also hope that you enjoyed your 4th of July and that it was a happy and safe one. Now, if you haven't stopped into our dealership yet, I want to personally invite you to do so. We have a full selection of parts and accessories here in our store. We also have brand new Flagstaffs here on our lot. Now, all Flagstaffs are half-ton towable, which means you don't need a large vehicle to tow it. In fact, the microlights you are able to tow with a smaller SUV or even a minivan. Another cool feature in the microlight line is that they contain a Murphy bed, which gives it a very unique floor plan. During the day, you're able to raise your Murphy bed up, hiding your bedding, your sleeping area. At night, when you're ready to go to sleep, you simply fold your Murphy bed down and you have created a bedroom. So really, you're getting two floor plans in one camper. If you haven't seen that, I welcome you to come down, check that out. It really does make for a unique floor plan, and it's a super cute little camper. Now, here in the store, we have a special going on with TST Chemicals. It is buy one, get the second one half off. You're able to mix and match, so toilet cleaner, gray water, probe cleaner, liquid or drop-ins, whichever you prefer. Take advantage of that great deal going on right now. Now, not only do we have new Flagstaffs on our lot, merchandise and parts, we are also a full service center. So if your camper is in need of a repair or maybe a little TLC, go ahead, bring it in. We'll work on it here in our service center, get you all fixed up. Now, perhaps that's not an option for you and you require more of a mobile repair. We've got you covered there too. Our mobile repair unit will come to you, whether it be the campground, your backyard, a storage facility, almost anywhere. We can fix you up. So give us a call at 712-425-3230. Check us out on our website at smalltownrv.com, and as always, like and follow us on Facebook. That's where you can find out all the greatest things going on here, all the new items or specials we have running. We'd love for you to give us a review if you've been here or we've done service work for you. We would love that. We are here Monday 8 to 5 and Saturday 8 to noon. We hope you stop in, say hi. We would love to see you all.